Hello friends, welcome to our today's Swahili lesson with Teacher Faith David. If you're new here, make sure that you subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss on any upload of our Swahili lessons. If you're learning Swahili for the first time, then this is the best place to be. And also for those of you who would wish to polish their Swahili language skills. Today we're going to learn about personal pronouns in Swahili. Personal pronouns in Swahili. Basically, we have three personal pronouns in Swahili. First person pronoun, second person pronoun, and third person pronoun. First person pronoun refers to the person speaking. Second person pronoun refers to the person spoken to. And third person pronoun refers to the person or object spoken about. Let's start with the first person pronoun. First person pronoun singular. I or me. Mimi. Mimi. Represented by ni. Ni. Let's make a sentence. Mimi ninaitwa Park. Mimi ninaitwa Park. I am called Park. I am called Park. Mimi ninaitwa Park. First person pronoun plural. We. Sisi. Sisi, represented by two. Let's make a sentence. We are called Park. We are called Park. Sisi tunaitwa Park. Sisi tunaitwa Park. That's it for the first person pronoun. Let's go on to the second person pronoun. Second person pronoun singular. You. Wewe. Wewe. Represented by u. Let's make a sentence. You are called Park. Wewe unaitwa Park. Wewe unaitwa Park. Second person pronoun plural. You. Nyinyi or ninyi. Nyinyi or ninyi. Represented by m. Letter M. M. Let's make a sentence. You are called Park. You are called Park. Nyinyi mnaitwa Park. Nyinyi mnaitwa Park. Let's go to the third person pronoun. Third person pronoun. Third person pronoun singular. He or she. At this point, it's worth noting that in Kiswahili, we don't have a difference for the two genders when it comes to personal pronouns. And so, he or she is yeye. Yeye. Represented by a. A. Let's make a sentence. He is called Park. He is called Park. Yeye anaitwa Park. Yeye anaitwa Park. Third person pronoun plural. Them or they. Them or they. Wow. Wow. Represented by wa. represented by wa. Let's make a sentence. They are called park. They are called park. Wao wanaitwa park. Wao wanaitwa park. Wao wanaitwa park. And that's it for the personal pronouns in Swahili. Let's take note of some words that we've used in our sentences. For example, ita, ita, call, ita, call, itwa, be called, itwa, be called. Ninaitwa, I am called. Ninaitwa, I am called. Unaitwa, you are called. Unaitwa, you are called. That's all for today's lesson. I'll see you in our next video. Until then, keep safe. Goodbye.